This is by far the easiest digital side hustle that you can start in 2025, especially if you are over 50 and you are tired of working yourself to the ground. No products to create, no chasing friends or family, and no tech overwhelm. Just a simple system that even works for you while you're resting. If this sounds like the kind of freedom that you've been dreaming of, then stay with me because I'm about to walk you through the steps of this exact system. If you are new here, my name is Brandy, and I am just a mom in her 50s who has been dealing with chronic health issues for decades and was struggling with extreme burnout. And I needed to find a better way to be able to provide for my family. And I was desperate for a change that would allow me to ditch the 9-to-5, but I didn't know anything about making money online or digital marketing or even social media. But then I discovered a system that taught me how to build daily income in just 2 hours a day, and this system has changed everything for me. Now I help other hardworking moms, dads who are in their 40s or 50s escape the endless cycle and create real digital online income, even if they've never done anything in the online space before. Before we dive in, you can grab a copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint, which is free, which are the exact steps that I followed to launch my online business. And I'm going to be walking you through those steps today. And this exact step-by-step guide helped me replace that 9-to-5 grind. And this system works for me and not the other way around. So let's dive in. And let's be honest, there are so many ways out there that you can make an online income. But when I was doing my research, what I found was that it's either you're having to post endlessly and hustle and chase in DMs and try to track down leads, or you have to bug friends or family, or you have a physical, tangible product that you have to sell, or you can do print or demand, or you can do affiliate marketing. And what I realized was that I was doing a lot of work for just a few cents. And I wanted to be able to make 100% profit off of whatever I was promoting or selling. And when I first launched my online business, I did know that was possible, but then I found out that it is in fact possible. So we already know that to make money, you have to be able to sell something. You have to be able to sell a product. But that doesn't mean you have to be a pushy salesperson. The key is in finding something that is in high demand and then positioning yourself in front of the people who are already searching for those specific product or services. Then have a system that does the heavy lifting for you. And when I stopped guessing and started focusing on what people were already searching for, how to make money online, how to make passive income, how to work from home, or how to retire early, everything shifted for me. I stopped chasing or harassing friends and family. I stopped feeling spammy, and I started earning from a system that does all of the heavy lifting for me and tells my perfect customer exactly what it is that I offer. That's when I discovered digital programs with master-resell rights. This is real prebuilt systems that let you earn from real education that people are already looking for. And here is why digital products are a game changer, especially for those of us who are over 50. There is no shipping, inventory, or customer service headaches, and no content creation grind. You simply connect people with valuable digital training that talks about digital marketing and automations and how to create true financial freedom. And you earn 100% profit every time someone buys one of these programs that you did not have to create. And the best part is you own this system. You set it up once and you're done. There are no monthly expenses, no overhead. fees. It's one and done. So think of it like this. Instead of trading time for dollars, you set up this system once and then it does the work for you. So it is out there working 24/7. You only have to do 2 hours of income earning activities a day. So it is working for you while you are resting, out spending time with your family, or doing anything that you truly enjoy or love doing. So the secret sauce is automations equals freedom. So automations is where the magic happens, because the truth is most people don't buy from you the first time they see you. So the automations will handle all of the follow-up for you. It will explain what it is that you offer. It will do the follow-up, and it will help your perfect customer make the decision that is best for them. And so basically it's building trust for you on your behalf. And this automated process is something that I did not have to create or know how to create. It came with my pre-built system. And part of that pre-built system is you use System.io, which is again something that came in the pre-built system. And I went through live interactive training that walked me through the exact steps to get my automated business up and running in 48 hours. And I did not have to have any tech skills whatsoever to get this set up. And that System.io account has zero cost. There is no monthly expense. This system was set up and designed so that you don't have any additional expenses. You invest in this system once, and the system comes with the training that you need to teach you the high demand skills of digital marketing. And anyone, any age can learn these skills. As long as you're coachable, I have a mentor that walks me through the exact steps and tells me exactly what to do every day, what to post, how to create content. But the best part is having a 2-hour workday. As someone who suffered with chronic health issues for decades, it was very challenging to try to maintain a 9 to 5. It was very challenging to get up every morning and convince my mind and my body that I could survive at work for the day, because I couldn't afford to quit my job and I didn't have any skills to do anything else. So when I found this system and learned that I could learn these high demand skills without having to go to college, that I could set up this online business without having any tech skills, and I could get the training that I need to be able to use social media and create content and get it all done in 2 hours a day, because I then had an automated business. For the first time in years, I felt like I had hope. I felt like there was a way out. The steps that came in this Freedom Formula Blueprint is the first thing to launch an online business. And let me tell you this. So when I kept hearing the term online business, my mind kept thinking, I don't want to run a business. I don't want more work, because it's common knowledge that if you are running the business, that's where all the work comes in. But if I am selling digital products or digital programs and I get to keep 100% profit, I am a business owner. So first I had to get past that mindset. So you have to have a product. Then you have to figure out how you're going to tell people about that product, how someone is going to pay for that product when they decide to buy it from you, how people are going to get that product when they buy it from you. And these are things that came with the automate. That's the whole automation in a nutshell. So I'll walk you through the steps. So, and everything I'm showing you came in my system. I didn't have to design anything or create anything. I just have to listen to my mentor tell me exactly how to walk it through and plug it in to where it's mine. It's all mine. So you have a landing page, which is your website. Someone sees something that you post, sees a piece of content, and they're interested in finding more. They go to your landing page, they enter an email address. It automatically gives them more information to your products. It also sends them an email. And in that email is where they get a copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint, which is what I started using from day one. Then the automations kick in and they start getting an email every day for the first 30 days that I did not have to create. That came in my automated system. And that is doing the heavy lifting for you. That it is explaining exactly, it will explain who you are. It will give them more information on their product. It will continue to give them information so that it can help them make the best decision for them and their family. So with this system, you will learn the exact steps that I followed to go from burnout to balance. You know, work-life balance has always been a dream of mine. A 4-day work week has always been a dream of mine. And not only have I achieved the work-life balance, but instead of a 4-day work week, I'm only working 2 hours a day. So that is far better than a 4-day work week. But I do this all without selling, recruiting, or spending hours online, because that completely would have defeated the purpose of ditching a 9-to-5. You don't need followers. You don't need to go viral. You just need a proven blueprint and the willingness to learn. So now that you know why this is the easiest side hustle for anyone over the age of 50, you can grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's down in the description. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to learn more, you can click the link down there. It will take you to exactly what I described, to my landing page. Once you enter your email, you will get instant access to more information that goes more in depth and has a video from the founder and mentor. And I'm going to leave this one more thing about that is I talked about making 100% profit, and I talked about this is not an MLM. It's not a pyramid. I do not build a team. Yes, I will help anyone out there that purchases this program because of me, but I do not make any money off of what you sell. Your profits are your profits. So if you are ready to learn those high demand skills so that you can start making passive income, that you can make extra money so that you can retire early, so that you can make money online, so that you can work from home without being tied to your desk, grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint, walk through the steps, drop comments down below. Any questions that you have, I'm here to help you. But this blueprint will walk you through the steps to going from the 9-to-5 grind to 2 hours a day and true freedom, so that you can finally start living life on your terms. And remember, you are not behind. You are not too late. You are just one decision away from creating a whole new level of freedom. So thank you for watching today. Please hit the subscribe button.